Bhaskaracharya. In the history of Bharat, we had two Bhaskaracharyas. Bhaskaracharya I was a 7th century great mathematician. He was the contemporary of Brahmagupta, another mathematician and an important scholar of Aryabhatta's astronomical school. He has written commentary on Aryabhatta's work. This commentary, Aryabhatya, written in 629 CE, is among the oldest known prose works in Sanskrit on mathematics and astronomy. He also wrote two astronomical works in the line of Aryabhatta's school, the Mahabhaskaraya and the Laghu Bhaskaraya. Bhaskaracharya I was the first to write numbers in the Hindu decimal system with a circle for the zero, and who gave a unique and remarkable rational approximation of the sign function. Prior to Bhaskara, these numbers were written not in figures but in words or allegories and were organized in verses. For instance, the number 1 was given as moon since it exists only once. The number 2 was represented by wings, twins, or eyes since they always occur in pairs. The number 5 was given by the five senses. Bhaskaracharya too was a famous mathematician and an astronomer of the 12th century. Bhaskaracharya was the head of the astronomical observatory at Ujjain. This observatory was the foremost center of mathematics and astronomy in ancient Bharat. When he wrote the book titled Siddhanta Shiromani, he was only 36 years old. Siddhanta Shiromani is a vast literature constituting four parts: Leelavati, algebra, Goladhyaya, which is related to planets, and planetary mathematics. Leelavati was his daughter's name and is written as the father-daughter dialogue. The sources of mathematics and astronomy are explained in a very simple and poetic way in Leelavati. Through this, he has explained the gravitational powers of various planets to keep the universe in balance. Nowadays, we say that Newton first discovered gravity, but 550 years before that, Bhaskaracharya too had explained the gravitational power of Earth in detail. Due to pioneering research done by Bhaskaracharya in mathematics and astronomy, even today, Bharat's contribution is immensely respected in these areas.